little.
Daddy doesn't go all the way with it.
That's it.
Hold on.
You got it. You're doing it, Bailey.
Good, Bailey.
Good job.
Okay.
Now go back to the other one.
Just get the one.
Oh, she went back and caught it.
All right, good
Run,
job.
hurry, get mine.
Good job.
Thank you.
All right, Gianni, go. Little kicks.
Oh, he's got it.
Way to go.
Good job.
G. Hold on, man.
No, that's not your purse. Go put it back.
Oh, thank you. Here, I'll put it back. Thank you.
All right, Maeve, go.
Yeah.
Little kicks.
Hey, at least you
job,
stayed
Dave.
with you. Mine's gone.
Good job, guys.
The joy of boys.
Hey, just bring your ball back. Don't try and go back through the cone.
Pick
All right,
the ball
take
up and bring it back.
G, pick up your ball, please.
Hey, Cassie, how you doing? Good seeing you. All right, you ready? Go. Hey, how you doing?
Good job, guys. Good job, Cassie.
Good job, Maeve.
Keep going.
Good job, Cassie. All right, Tucker, good job, buddy. Get your ball and bring it back.
Keep going.